The US economy is worth over $27 trillion. But what if I told you that a potato chip factory in Pennsylvania, a software lab in California, and a soybean farm in Iowa are all part of the same global machine? How did this sprawling, chaotic system become the economic heart of the modern world? Welcome back to Atlas Unlocked, where maps come alive and places tell stories. In part 2 of our series on the United States, we're digging deep into the economic engine that powers everything from your smartphone to your sneakers. How did the US become the world's economic superpower, and can it stay that way? Stick around, because the answer starts not in boardrooms but in factories, fields, and freight yards. The US economy didn't grow in a vacuum. It grew on a network. This network is a complex web of transportation and infrastructure that has evolved over centuries. From the early days of river transport to the modern era of high-speed rail and interstate highways, the U.S. has continually adapted its infrastructure to meet the needs of its growing economy. From coast to coast, its rivers, railways, and highways created the ultimate economic conveyor belt. These transportation routes have not only facilitated the movement of goods, but also connected people and ideas, fostering innovation and economic growth. The development of these routes was driven by the need to connect the vast and diverse regions of the country, making it possible for businesses to reach new markets and for people to access new opportunities. The Mississippi River system still moves over 500 million tons of cargo every year. This river system has been a vital artery for the U.S. economy since the early days of the nation. It provides a cost-effective and efficient means of transporting bulk goods, such as agricultural products, coal, and petroleum. The river's extensive network of tributaries and connected waterways allows for the seamless movement of goods from the heartland to major ports along the Gulf of Mexico. The interstate highway system, built in the 1950s, connects every major city. This ambitious project, initiated under President Dwight D. Eisenhower, revolutionized transportation in the United States. The highways not only facilitated the rapid movement of goods and people, but also spurred economic development in previously isolated regions. The construction of the interstate system created jobs, boosted the automotive industry, and led to the growth of suburban areas. Today, the interstate highways remain a critical component of the nation's transportation infrastructure, supporting commerce and daily commutes for millions of Americans. And its deep-water ports like Los Angeles, New York, and Savannah are among the busiest in the world. These ports serve as gateways for international trade, handling millions of containers each year. The efficiency and capacity of these ports are crucial for the U.S. economy, as they enable the import and export of goods on a massive scale. The ports are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and technologies to ensure the smooth and timely movement of cargo. They also play a vital role in supporting the global supply chain, connecting U.S. businesses with markets around the world. But the real economic magic? Connectivity. No major U.S. region is landlocked from trade. That's rare. This unique feature of the U.S. transportation network ensures that goods can flow freely across the country, reaching even the most remote areas. The interconnectedness of the transportation system enhances the efficiency and resilience of the economy, allowing for the rapid response to changes in demand and supply. It also supports regional economic development by providing access to national and international markets. The continuous investment in and maintenance of this infrastructure is essential for sustaining the economic vitality of the United States. The U.S. economy is a mosaic of specialized regions, each one a gear in the machine. Each region contributes uniquely to the overall economic engine, creating a diverse and robust national economy. From the bustling financial districts to the expansive agricultural fields, every part of the country plays a vital role. The Rust Belt still produces steel, cars, and heavy machinery. Once the heart of American industry, this region has a rich history of manufacturing prowess. Cities like Detroit, Cleveland, and Pittsburgh were built on the back of these industries. Despite facing economic challenges and a shift towards a service-based economy, the Rust Belt remains a critical player in the production of essential goods. The legacy of innovation and hard work continues to drive these industries forward, adapting to new technologies and market demands. The Midwest, America's agricultural core, known as the breadbasket of the world, this region is responsible for producing a significant portion of the nation's food supply. Vast fields of corn, soybeans, and wheat stretch as far as the eye can see. Advanced farming techniques and equipment have revolutionized agriculture, increasing efficiency and output. The Midwest's fertile soil and favorable climate make it ideal for farming, supporting not only the U.S., but also global food markets. The agricultural sector here is a testament to the hard work and dedication of American farmers. The South has become a rising hub for manufacturing and logistics, especially aerospace and auto. States like Alabama, Georgia, and South Carolina have attracted major investments from global companies. The region's strategic location, skilled workforce, and business-friendly environment have made it a magnet for industries looking to expand. Aerospace giants like Boeing and Airbus have established significant operations here, while auto manufacturers such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Hyundai have set up large assembly plants. The South's growth in these sectors is a testament to its economic resilience and adaptability. Meanwhile, the West Coast fuels the world's digital economy. Home to tech giants like Apple, Google, and Facebook, this region is the epicenter of innovation and technological advancement. Silicon Valley in particular has become synonymous with cutting-edge technology and startup culture. The concentration of talent, venture capital, and research institutions has created a thriving ecosystem that drives global digital trends. From software development to hardware manufacturing, the West Coast's influence on the digital economy is unparalleled, shaping the future of technology and connectivity. Silicon Valley alone contributes over $275 billion annually to GDP. That's more than the entire economy of Finland. This staggering figure highlights the region's economic power and global significance. The innovation coming out of Silicon Valley has transformed industries, from healthcare to finance, and continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. The area's unique blend of creativity, entrepreneurship, and technological expertise makes it a powerhouse of economic activity and a beacon of progress. Then there's Wall Street, controlling the pulse of global finance. Located in New York City, Wall Street is the heart of the financial world, where trillions of dollars are traded daily. The New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ are two of the largest stock exchanges globally, influencing markets and economies worldwide. Financial institutions, investment banks, and hedge funds headquartered here play a crucial role in capital allocation, risk management, and economic growth. Wall Street's impact extends far beyond the U.S., affecting global financial stability and economic policies. And Texas, booming with oil, gas, and renewable energy. The Lone Star State is a leader in energy production, with vast reserves of oil and natural gas. Texas is also at the forefront of the renewable energy revolution, with significant investments in wind and solar power. The state's diverse energy portfolio ensures a stable and reliable supply, supporting both domestic and international markets. Texas's energy sector is a dynamic and evolving landscape, balancing traditional fossil fuels with innovative renewable solutions, driving economic growth and sustainability. The United States isn't just building for itself, it's building for the world. From the bustling factories in the heartland to the cutting-edge tech hubs on the coasts, American innovation and production are at the forefront of global trade. The sheer diversity of products that the U.S. exports is staggering, reflecting the country's vast industrial and agricultural capabilities. It's the second largest exporter globally, sending out everything from aircraft and microchips to soybeans and pharmaceuticals. The aerospace industry, for instance, is a major player, with American-made aircraft being a common sight in skies worldwide. Microchips, the tiny yet powerful components that drive our digital age, are another significant export, showcasing the U.S. prowess in high-tech manufacturing. On the agricultural front, vast fields of soybeans are harvested and shipped to meet the demands of international markets. The pharmaceutical sector too plays a crucial role, with life-saving medications and cutting-edge treatments developed and produced in the U.S. reaching patients across the globe. Its top trade partners, Canada, Mexico, China, Japan, and the European Union. These relationships are not just about the exchange of goods, but also about fostering economic ties and mutual growth. Trade routes crisscross the globe, with shipping containers bearing the flags of these nations moving in and out of American ports. Each of these partners brings something unique to the table, creating a dynamic and interconnected global economy. Free trade agreements like NAFTA, now USMCA, have supercharged continental trade, turning North America into an integrated economic zone. These agreements have lowered tariffs, reduced trade barriers, and facilitated smoother transactions between the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. The result? A more competitive and efficient market that benefits businesses and consumers alike. The transition from NAFTA to USMCA has further strengthened these ties, ensuring that North America remains a powerhouse in the global economy. But global reach also means global vulnerability. Supply chain shocks, trade wars, and inflation ripple fast. The COVID-19 pandemic, for instance, highlighted the fragility of global supply chains, with disruptions leading to empty store shelves and delayed shipments. Trade wars, marked by tariffs and retaliatory measures, can strain relationships and impact economies. Inflation, driven by various factors, can erode purchasing power and create economic uncertainty. These challenges underscore the importance of resilience and adaptability in maintaining a robust global trade network. Innovation is America's X factor. The United States leads the world in patents, tech startups, and research universities. It's home to the top 5 most valuable tech companies globally. But this progress is uneven. While Silicon Valley booms, rural areas face decline, median wages have stagnated, and wealth is increasingly concentrated in fewer hands. And automation? It's transforming factories and eliminating millions of jobs, while creating new ones in code, logistics, and artificial intelligence. So what's next? The United States is investing big in green energy, artificial intelligence, and advanced manufacturing. Mega projects like CHIPS Act-funded semiconductor plants are reshoring critical industries, and the rise of the digital dollar could change how the world transacts. But challenges loom: national debt, housing affordability, and a rapidly changing global trade map. The question is, can the U.S. economy adapt faster than the world around it changes? That's part 2 of our deep dive into the United States, a story of innovation, contradiction, and colossal scale. In part 3, we explore how the U.S. uses its power abroad, through diplomacy, military reach, and global influence. Don't miss it. Like this video, subscribe to Atlas Unlocked, and tell us, what part of the U.S. economy surprised you the most? For more such videos, subscribe to Atlas Unlocked.